So you're bringing your bike to the bike wash. Here are just a few tips before having your bike washed. Make sure to close all the electronic stuff like chargers to prevent electronic equipment getting wet. Remove stuff like the airbag deployment lanyard. Remove, of course, the keys. Move other stuff that you don't want to get wet, like web strapping for your luggage. And then now you're all set to have your bike washed. 30 for riding. 30. 30. 30 suspension. 30. 30 wheels. 30. 30. After each nook and cranny has been wiped down with soap, the bike gets another wash down with pressurized water. Pressure is turned down so as not to accidentally destroy parts of the bike. Low pressure setting. Then gets covered with more detergent. Feels like snow. Then all the little parts get rubbed down as well after the detergent. Process is a personalized hand wash. Then comes a very important spraying of water again on the bike after the nooks and crannies have been wiped down. Then they take out the leaf blower, which becomes an air dryer to dry out the parts of the bike so as to avoid water stains on glass and on other visible parts. So here it is, getting a little bit more of the air drying, and then gets a final wipe down, and presto, we have a very clean bike.